Planning to move to the UAE and trying to figure out where you can actually afford to live? Rent and daily expenses can vary a lot depending on the emirate you choose. So in this video, I will be breaking down some of the most affordable emirates to live in, and this is going to be useful for you if you're new to the country. If you're interested in life in the UAE, moving here, or understanding the cost of living better, this channel is for you. Let's get straight into it. Sharjah is mostly the first option for most people looking for affordable rents who still work in Dubai. Rental prices here are significantly more affordable compared to Dubai. So Sharjah is a great option for people looking for lower rent compared to Dubai. It also has public transport connectivity. Popular areas include Al Nada, Al Qasimiyah and Rola. Many residents live in Sharjah and commute daily to Dubai, making it a very practical option if you're trying to manage costs. The second one is Ajman. Ajman is considered to be one of the cheapest emirates to live in, and it is relatively cheaper than Dubai and Sharjah. It's not just the rent that is cheap here, but also the daily life expenses. So for someone looking for cheaper apartments and family housing, a quieter lifestyle, best suited if you have a car or work nearby. It is a good option for people who prefer a slower pace and want to save more on rent and groceries. The third one is Al Quwain. This is the best option for affordable living and a calm lifestyle. Al Quwain is a very beautiful emirate. It has mountains and greenery, and it's really nice to live in. It is one of the most affordable emirate as well. If you don't have to commute to work to Dubai every day, then Al Quwain is a great option for you. Locally, job opportunities are relatively less, but it's still manageable. If you find a job in Al Quwain, it's amazing to live in that same emirate. Al Quwain is not for everyone, but if affordability is your top priority, then it is worth considering. The fourth emirate we're going to talk about is Ras Al Khaimah, which is affordable with growing opportunities. Ras Al Khaimah offers a good balance between affordability, quality and nature. It is relatively cheaper than Dubai and Abu Dhabi, but it's also more expensive than Ajman and Al Quwain. With the new casino coming up, there are a lot more opportunities in Ras Al Khaimah, and the emirate of Ras Al Khaimah is growing rapidly. So the main things to note about Ras Al Khaimah is that it has lower rents compared to major cities, it has a growing job market, good balance between work and lifestyle, and it's becoming increasingly popular, especially for professionals and families. Now let's talk about Dubai and Abu Dhabi. Dubai and Abu Dhabi are relatively more expensive to live in, but they also offer excellent infrastructure and a lot more job opportunities. But if budget is a major concern, then starting in one of the other emirates and then making a transition to Dubai or Abu Dhabi is going to be much easier. If you are trying to stay within a budget, then here are a few practical tips that could really help you. Consider shared accommodation and choose areas close to public transport to live in. Compare rents and negotiate where it's possible. And what you can do is track monthly expenses early on. Small decisions can make a big difference over time. Every emirate here has its own advantages, but what suits you best depends on your lifestyle, your budget and your job location. If you are planning to move, understanding these differences can help you make a much smarter decision. So if you have learned a little bit more about Dubai with me today, then like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.